Good morning, dear students. Before the starting of this topic, parallel lines and transversal, I would like to recall your memory. We have already learned in chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry, postulate 5. And what is postulate 5? If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines it produced indefinitely meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. तो पोस्टुलेट नंबर 5 को हम यहाँ पर यूज़ करके पैरेलल लाइंस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो पहले तो हम ट्रांसवर्सल को समझ लेते हैं कि ट्रांसवर्सल क्या है। लेट अ लाइन L intersects line M and line M. So in this figure there are two lines M and N and M and N and L lines falling on these two lines. Line L intersect these two lines at 2 points P and Q. Therefore, line L is a transversal line for M and N. This transversal line create 8 angles at these 2 points, where we write the name of angles as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the 8 angles at 2 points. In these 8 angles, we have seen that the 4 angles 1, 2, 8 and 7, these 4 angles are outside of these two lines, but remaining 4 angles, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, are inside of the lines. So outside of the angles, that means exterior angles, and inside of the angles are interior angles. Now we see the angle 1, 2, 7 and 8 are called exterior angle, and 3, 4, 5, 6 are called interior angles. Now next is corresponding angles. What is corresponding angles? Corresponding angles that a pair of angle on the same side of transversal in which one interior and one exterior, like angle 5 and angle 1. Angle 5 is an interior angle and angle 1 is exterior angle. So angle 1 and angle 5, these are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 6, these are the corresponding angles. Can you identify other corresponding angles? Yeah, you can identify that angle 4 and angle 8 is also corresponding angles, because these two angles is the pair of one interior and one exterior on the same side of transversal line. And the remaining fourth is angle 3 and angle 7 is also corresponding angles. Dear students, now we come alternate interior angles. What is alternate? Alternate means one after one, एक के बाद एक. तो first we choose a pair of alternate interior angles as angle 4 and angle 6, and other pair is angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 6. So angle 4, this angle 4 and this angle 6. These two are alternate interior angles. And other pair of alternate interior angles is angle 3 and angle 5. These are the alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Now, alternate exterior angles. What is alternate exterior angles? 1, 2, 7, 8. These are the four exterior angle. 1, 2, 7, 8. These are the exterior angle. So alternate is that 1, then we leave angle 2 and come angle 7. So angle 1 and angle 7 is a pair of alternate exterior angle. So you can identify the other pair of alternate exterior angle. What will be? It will be angle 2 and angle 8. These are the pair of alternate exterior angles. Now next is interior angles on the same side of transversal. This is the most important, that is the interior angle on the same side. What do you mean by same side of the transversal? This is a transversal line. Either we take one side, all angles on these sides are called the same side of the transversal, and this is the other side, and these are the called angles on the same side of transversal. So actually the transversal line make two sides, left side and right side. All angles on the left sides is on the same side, and other way all angles on the right side is also on the same side. But on the same side of transversal there are four angles: angle 1, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 8. These are the same side, but in these four angles, two angles are interior angle and two exterior angle. Two angles interior angle, that is the 4 and 5. These 4 and 5 are interior angle on the same side of transversal. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 6 is also interior angle on the same side of transversal. The fifth postulate of Euclid's geometry says that if sum of two interior angles on the same side of transversal is less than 180 degree, then the line, if line produced, then it meets indefinitely. So it meets now in this figure we see that angle 4 5 is on the same side and 3 6 on the other same sides. If the sum of these two interior angles on the same side is 180 degree, then the line M and N will be parallel. Okay. Now, thank you.